Hello everyone, my name is Om. Today discuss about why is Java platform independent. Java is a class-based object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few independence as possible. It is it is a designation to have a few independent to let application developers write once and run anywhere, meaning the compile Java code can run on all platform the support Java without Java was first released in 1995 and is widely used for developing applications for desktop, web, and mobile devices. Application Java is known as simplicity, robustness, and security features, making is a popular choice for enterprise level applications. One of the most prominent features of Java is a platform independent. Platform independent means the Java code that has been compiled generates compile code or the bytecode, and this bytecode can run on all of the operating systems. Provides they have JVM installed in it. Basically, a program is a set of instructions that have been written in a human readable language. Note that programs written by human are not understood by machines. Here, compilers come into the picture. A compiler compiles the Java source code into a format that can be easily understood by machines. Therefore, one can say that a compiler is a translator that does the translation of code from human format to execute code. The execute code may be run directly by the machine, or maybe an representation that is run on the virtual machine. In Java, that intermediate represents is known as the Java bytecode. The developer or programmer writes the code in a human relatable format. Java compiler compiles it into bytecode. Note that bytecode is not the native code for the machines, unlike C++ C compiler. Bytecode is not the machine executable code and hence requires an interpreter to interpret it. The interpreter is Java, the Java Virtual Machine (JVM) that execute the bytecode. Eventually, the program executes and shows the output in C or C++. Compiler compiles the code to generate the file that has been executed by the machine on the which the compiler it installed. However, it in the case of Java, instead of example file, class file or bytecode is generated. Java is platform independent, but now JVM. It is important to note that JVM is platform dependent. So for the Windows operating system, we have the JVM specific to systems. We have the JVM specific to Windows. For the operating system, we have the make specific operating system applied to the Linux operating system. To the same is evident when we go to the websites to download the JDK JVM part of JDK. A list of operating system specific JDK is shown, and the user has decided which one is suitable for the task. Java is platform independent because it is compiled to bytecode that can be run on any device that has a Java virtual machine. This means that you can write Java program on one platform such as Windows and then run it on a different platform such as or Linux without making any changes to the bytecode. The JVM acts an interpreter for the Java bytecode, translating into the instructions that the code. This means that the same Java programs can run on any device that has JVM, making truly write once run anywhere language. Thank you.